How to write a proposal report. The main reason a proposal report is written is to obtain buy-in from the client. The proposal report should speak to the client and motivate them to take the next step, which is to greenlight the project. There are several steps to this process. These are: define the problem. The problem should be clearly defined in the report. Why the problem exists and how to deal with it must also be included. Present solution. The report should present editors' present area. This section should provide a picture of the functions and attributes of the deliverable, plus how to know if the project is successful. Step plan and approach. This is the most critical section of the proposal and discusses how to achieve the project's objectives. It starts with an explanation of the approach and why it's relevant and effective. It also explains how problems will be managed. Outline schedule and budget. This section should provide project costs and breakdowns. It should also provide guidelines on how to meet deadlines. Tie it all together. End the proposal with a conclusion that briefly summarizes problem, solution, and benefits. Emphasize the significant parts, and make the proposal stand out by restating ideas or facts that the client should remember. Edit or proofread. The proposal should be rewritten as necessary to make it interesting, helpful, clear, and persuasive. Ask for feedback, and ensure the proposal is organized and visually appealing. Next steps. After a proposal report is written, some steps can be taken for this to succeed. There is the presentation part, and if successful, turning it into a project. If not successful, one should know how to handle the rejection and learn from this. Presentation. After the proposal report has been written, the most important part will be presenting it to the client. A client presentation is actually a sales talk. The client should be sold on 3 major points. A thorough understanding of the client's situation. It contains the best solution and benefits to meet the client's needs. Your company is the best one for the job. 7. Steps can be taken to make the presentation successful. These are: organizing the topic, creating text and visual aids, organizing the presentation team, practicing individual talks, role-playing with a live audience, conducting dress rehearsal. Acceptance. If the proposal is accepted, it is time for celebration. The hard work has been successful. However, one final thing remains. It is time to transition into a live project. There are guidelines for this. These are: negotiation. The entire project should be negotiated for budgeting and scheduling reasons. In this process, cost and schedule breakdown must happen. Preserve Preserve continuity. Keep key members of the proposal team available during the early stages of project startup.